Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the session. So, in our last session, we have started with we have completed the counting sort algorithm, right? So, let me give you one example to practice it, and you have to solve it. Okay. So, let me share it just a second. Okay, you need to. Okay, so here I will write down the algorithm example. The example, see, we are having the array like 7, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 4, and 3. This is the array we are having. Now you have to find out what? You have to first you have to apply the counting sort. You have to prepare the count array in which you will calculate the number of time it is repeating. After that, you have to find out the proper position with the sorted manner, right? So same, just take a screenshot of this example and then I'll go to this example. Okay, the previous example we have solved it. I will keep it that. So please take a screenshot of this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let me reduce the size. But till this is the main part you can do. Okay, I'll keep it here. You just take a reference from this and then you will start doing start solving the example. Once you reach to this, you have to tell me. Okay. Everyone, please solve this example. I want everyone to solve this. Okay. Okay, so tell me, what is your count array? Everyone, what is your count array? Everyone, have you solved this? Tell me the count array. If this is our example, right? What is the exact way to find out the count array?
Find min and max.
What is the k value here? Minimum is 1. Maximum is what? 7. Right? So what is the k value you have taken here? 7.
8.
How 8?
मैक्स प्लस 1 नहीं होता?
Sorry? Yeah, okay, I got it. For the count array size, you have to take 8. Okay, now tell me. This is extra, so you can cancel it. Okay, so tell me, how many times 1 is repeating?
2.
2 times?
2 times.
2?
2 times.
Okay.
2 times.
It is again 2 times 4.
Yes.
4, I think 2 times, right? 5,
1 time. 1 time.
6,
0.
7,
2 times. 2 times.
2.
2 times, right? So I think we have to take the 1 to 7 only.
Yes.
So just a second. So I remove this. Because you can see here, we are having only 6 element. 1 to 7, right? So let's, okay, fine. This is your count here. How you have find out the answer? I think this is your answer, right? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 7, 7. I think this one will be your sorted array, right? But how you have fixed the position? The exact steps, all of you have done it. This one, array, then count, and then you have find out the correct position. Have you used this method, everyone, or are you still doing it? Everyone, tell me. So we have to do what? First of all, we have to make the addition, right? Before that, you have to update the count. Like 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9, 9 and 11. I think this is correct, right? Everyone is getting the same answer? Yes or no? This is the count array you got. See,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to find the correct position, right? So we have got this. Okay. Now you take this array. You take this count. And then you do one thing. Try to find out the this one is the count array, right? And this one, just a second. You just try to solve it, okay? Okay, so tell me, have you sorted? See how you can do this. Let me tell you one thing. Okay. Okay, let me give it the, here we will start. Let me check the algorithm. It is starting from, here it is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? Okay, and here we will start count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? Now this will take B. Okay, so how you will calculate it? Can anyone tell me? I will be starting from here, right? Value is 3, go to the index 3. Value is a 6, right? So you will decrement it by 1. So at 5, you will insert 3. Is it correct or not, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check it once. Okay. Then I will be decremented here. 9th index. 4 value, go to the index 4. 7. Here you will insert 4. Again decrement I. 2. Go to the index 2. Value decrement. Here you will insert 2. Decrement the index 7. Go to the index 7. By 10. Here you will write 7. I. 5. Fifth index. Decrement by 1. Here 8. 5. I value will be decremented 4. Go to the index 4. 6. Here you will write I value will be here. Go to the 2. Index 2. Decrement by 2. Here you will insert 2. I is here. 1 index. Here you will insert 1. Here index 3. Go to the 3. Divide by minus 1. There is 4. So here you will insert 3. 1. 0. Here you will insert 1. And I is here 7. Go to the 7th index, and here it is 9. So you have inserted 7, right? So this is the correct position you have find for each distinct key value. So everyone is getting the same output? Yes or no? Everyone is getting the same output or not? I want a response from all 54 students.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are getting the correct output?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, Vishwa, Yash, Parth, Palak, Nikhil, Darshan, Anurag, everyone. Okay, good. So let's go to the next algorithm, that is a radix sort. Okay. So So let me take this example. Just a second. Okay, so see, in the Radix sort algorithm, how it will work? It is a non-comparison based algorithm. Means here we are not going to compare the element. What we are going to do is, let me take the new page. Radix. Okay, so here again it is a non-comparison based algorithm. So here we are not going to compare any element. Okay, and you have to sort digit. How we will perform the sorting? So here you have to sort the element digit by digit or its place value. Okay, so let's say 3, 4, 8. This is ones place, 10th place, and 100th place, right? So here we will do what? We will sort the array element digit by digit, right? So there are multiple ways you can perform this algorithm, right? I'm showing you the easiest method to perform the Radix sort. And one method is you can use a stable sort like a counting sort algorithm to sort this element, right? So, but which is very tricky and very hard. So we are not going to take a look of that example. We will take very simple example, or we will use very simple method, and all the method are correct. Okay, it is not like that this method is not correct. Every method is correct, but there are multiple ways you can solve this example, right? So let's see, for example, how you can sort it. I'm having this array 15, 1, 3, 2, 1, 10, 8, 0, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 90, 109, and 11. Okay, so first of all, tell me which one is the highest value. Out of this array, find out the maximum number. First step is you have to find the maximum number. Which one is maximum number? Tell me. Scan this array. This is 123. Tell me, out of this number, which one is maximum?
802.
802. How many digits are there in the 803 or 802? Sorry.
3.
How many digits?
3.
Okay, good. That is equals to 3. So main fundamental is what? Now you have to convert all the numbers in 3-digit. You have to convert what all the digits into three-digit number. You have to convert because the maximum number is 802, which is having 3-digit. So you have to convert all the numbers in the 3-digit so that we can perform it. So if it is 1, then you have to add 00 before, right? If you add 100, that it become 100. So it is not equals to 1. So you have to add a 0 before 1. This is 321, 010, 802, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 0, 9, 0, 1, 0, 9, and then finally 0, 1, 1. Okay, so how we are going to move? We are going to move from right to left. Okay, first we will take first place, then 10th place, and 100th place, right? So in a pass one, what you will do, you will take the first this. You will take this number. Okay, and you can perform the sorting over this. Now tell me which number is there. You have to take the entire number. Okay, you cannot take only 0.
પેલા અહીં આવીને મેં જોઈ લેજે ચલો કેમ
Tell me. In pass one,
આજે
or the first.
એમાં એક દિવસનું રિચાર્જ કરાવજે ખાલી
Mukund, can you mute yourself?
30 રૂપિયાનો એક દિવસ આપણે જોજે કેમ ચાલે ટાવર આવે.
Okay, so tell me here. If you want to sort this first row, first column, tell me from smallest to largest number. Which one you will take first?
0.
0. So which number is this? This one. In first pass, 0, 1, 0. Then second, 0 is here. 0, 9, 0. Now you can see यहाँ पे 0, 1, 0 पहले आया है तो ये आपको पहले ही लिखना है, राइट? यहाँ पे 0, 9, 0 बाद में आया, then you have to write after 0, 1, 0 only. Even though the values are same 0, 0, but you have to maintain the order. Now one, we will have two values. One is 0, 0, 1, then 3, 2, 1, and then 0, 1, 1, right? Then after 1 is done,
2.
now we are having 2, or sorry, 111 is left. Sorry, here we don't have any values, right? Okay, now we will take 2. So 2, 802, 002. Then we have to take what? 1, 2, 3. Then 2 is taken, 3 is taken. Then arrange the number. Which two numbers are left? 0, 1, 5 and 1, 0, 9. So after the first pass, this column is sorted, right? After the first pass, first column is sorted. In pass 2, what you have to do is you have to take this. Now you have to take this value and you have to sort the second column. Okay, now tell me the values. If you have to sort this, so first 0. So this one value 0, 0, 1. Then here 8, 0, 2. Then 0, 0, 2. Right? Then 1, 0, 9. Because here we are sorting the second column. After this we will take 1. So here it is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then after we will scan, here it is 0, 1, 1. Then after here 0, 1, 5. Then after 1 we will take 2. So first 2 is here. 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 3. And then finally 0, 9, 0. Right? So after second pass, second column is sorted. Now let's take the pass 3. In pass 3, what you have to do is you have to sort the last column. Okay, now sort it. First, this will come 0, 0, 0, 1. Then this one will come 0, 0, 2. Then this here 0, 1, 0. Then this one 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 1, 5. And then 0, 9, 0. Okay. After that we will take 1. 1, 0, 9. Then 1, 2, 3. Then after 2 is there? No. 3 is there. 3, 2, 1. And then finally 8, 0, 2. So now you can see, if you compare this 1, 2, 10, 11, 15, 19, 190, 109, 123, 321, and 802. Now the entire array is sorted. Right? So this is how you can find out the final array, right? So I think this is clear to everyone how the radix sort algorithm works. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me give you one example and then just a second. So here what will happen that how the time complexity will be calculated. Let's say here we are having n elements with k decimal value or k digits, or let's say here we have find out how many digits are there. If we are having k digits, then you have to perform n into k passes. So this is the time complexity order of n k into best, worst, and average case, right? So let me give you one example. Try to solve it, and then after I'll take the attendance. Okay. So the example is 121, 1, 432, 23, 564, 45, 788, 1028, 9, 39, and 4, 0, 1. This is the example. You have to sort it. You will have the 10-minute time to sort this and tell me how many passes you have done and how you have solved it. So let me give you 10-minute time to do this, and then after, before that I will take the attendance. Okay, so everyone please start this example. Meanwhile, I'll take the attendance and let me wind up the session. So in today's session, we have solved one example of counting sort. Then we have done the radix sort algorithm, and then we have taken one example, right? So thank you everyone.